Are you rolling? Can I have a better intro? You know, a much more classy one. What's this for again? I forgot. Yeah, right. A documentary about a self-made man, right? Cool. Okay. You got the right man. As the song goes, what the world needs now is, well, it's not love, definitely. We all know it's money, material things, and of course, more money. Well, as I told you, you chose the right guy. I'm abundant and blessed with all those gifts. Hi, my name is Andres Crisologo. People call me Andres for short. Anyway, I belong to a family of four. Of course, well off. And I study here at Ateneo de Manila University. Some people know me as the Spitfire in the basketball court. Some people know me as the mathematical genius. And some people know me as the galante boy next door. But honestly, I think most people know me as Sugar Roll, a high-class term for Sugarol, gambler, a follow. Anyway, there. Well, most people know me as Sugar Roll because I gamble a lot. Not in the sense that I gamble in anything or in any game, but because I'm best at it when it comes to NBA odds. NBA odds, NBA games, betting on NBA games. Anyway, I have class. I'll get back to you in a little while. As Andres Crisologo, aka Sugar Roll, I make 5 digits a week. Let me repeat that, a week. What do? I bet. I bet on the right teams. My winning record, 380 wins. Losses, 120. Push results, 25. That amounts to winning percentage, 80%. That's what I do. I pick the right teams. I win. I win lots of money. That's just it. Well, there's so many things to know about the NBA odds. And let's start with all the how-to. First, somebody sends you the odds of the game. In this, you will see a number of teams that will be playing the next day. As an example, we can use the Dallas Mavericks going against the Houston Rockets. Here we see Dallas +6 at Houston. This means that Dallas is playing at the home court of Houston, with Dallas having the +6. What does that mean? Well, it's sort of a handicap. At the start of the game, the score is already 6-0 in favor of Dallas. So just come down to who will win the game with the starting score. Now, if you choose Dallas and Houston fails to win in the spread, then you can claim yourself the winner. It's actually an easy thing. All you have to do is choose 50-50. It's a game of chance. That's why it becomes easy. Now, what every aspiring bettor has to know are the following. The bettor needs to be an NBA fan. Yes! Updated, of course, with the trades, players, and injuries. Next, the bettor has to have a bookie. That's the sort of mediator between you and the mafia who controls the money. He makes sure your bet is delivered to the man up top. Finally, the bettor has to have the ability to pay. You wouldn't want to mess with the mafia, you know. Anyway, it's the worst thing to lose and not to be able to pay your money to the big bosses in town. I'm not saying this as a joke, but they can easily put you away. So, don't take that lightly. Oh, and before I forget, what's great about NBA odds is that you have 1 week to bet. This doesn't necessarily mean that if you lose on Monday, you're going to have to pay on Tuesday. Having 1 week means your bets accumulate over a certain week. 3 days after the last day of betting, you can either get your money or start paying up your bookie. Hopefully, you won't have to go through the latter. This is my room, and this is where I hang out and check my scores. So as you can see, I'm an avid toy collector. Where did I get the money to buy it? You all know that by now. Well, for most of you who don't know, this is my studying station where I see and check all the odds, the scores, NBA highlights, NBA reels, anything and everything about the NBA. Now I just finished studying, and this is the start of the week, so I put down 20K on 3 teams tonight. Hopefully I'll get the results I want tomorrow, so let's just wait for that. Anyway, I'm on my way to the Calm Lab. Check down on scores. Anyway, as a better, kailangan every morning you check on the scores. At least you know when the scores are out. Well, now I'm checking the scores. Medyo natalo ata yung picks. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Too much for bragging rights. I lost all 3 games today. Hindi ako sad. I'm not sad. I can win it back anytime. This was I was talking about. It's a week-long endeavor. So, no need to pay. No need to shell out money today. I'll win it back tomorrow. I'll win it in a snap. Anyway, I have class. So I'll just meet you around there. So it's day 2 of the betting week, and I lost 60,000 pesos today. Kind of makes me wonder. I never really lose that much in a day. Not even in a single week. So I'm just gonna aim tomorrow to cut that in half. And as I saw in my cell phone, there are 6 games tomorrow, and I've chosen 3 teams. Minnesota, the Lakers, and the New Jersey Nets. I'm gonna put 10K on each of them. Hopefully my magic works tomorrow. Hopefully. Still early. The games aren't done yet. As of now, all my teams are losing. Let's just see what happens. Can you stop rolling na? Why? We lost 3 games again. Well, as you know, talo. Lahat talo na naman. 0-6 in a week. That's bad. I don't usually lose this much. Pero okay lang since early pa naman. Still early in the week. Well, alam naman natin ang getting jinxed. For the past few days. I've lost 6 games in a row. Some of my losses total to 90K na. But no need to worry about me. All's fine. It's all in the night's fix. Pari, pahingin naman pick mo. Mamaya patulong please. Wala ka na ng dami ito kaya sobra. Paano na naman eh. Are you getting this? Pari, wait lang. Can you stop rolling first? Wala bro, nililipid ako. Ano masabi mo pare? Huwag mo nasama to, please. Huwag siya naman oh. Wala bro. Sorry. Wala, nililipid document. Oo, pare. Basta bro, mamaya na lang. Patulong ka lang yung pitch. I need a winning pick. Ha? Just tip on this one. Sige. Well, syempre, alam mo na, syempre, down ako. Some 190k. Is that payable? Of course it is. Wala yun. 4 more days, 4 more betting days. Bawiin ko lang yun. Normal lang naman sa tinista pa daw ng 190k eh. 190k? Pwede cash. I told you to stop rolling! Ba't nakakaintindi ka ba? Fuck! Alam mo na lang ito nito. Up this side. Utang na. I told you to stop rolling, pare. Ano ka ba, bingi? Alam ba na parents ko? I have no plans of getting them, syempre. It'd fucking kill me. Basta leave this to me na lang. Stop fucking pointing that camera on me. Huwag ka mag-alala. I have the money at hand here. Sabihin mo sa kanya, kung matalo pa ako mismo ang magbibigay sa kanya ng pera. Oo, ako mismo. Dadaling ko sa kanya. Please, just pakiusapan mo na lang. Pakiusapan mo, one more night. Kailangan ko ito, pare. Hindi ko na mamabawi yun. Sige mo na lang, one more night, please. Sige. Am I ready? Di ko alam. Bahala na. Pwede bang pag sinabi ko na patayin mo na lang yung camera? Huwag mo na pakita. Please.